Glad to see everybody in my channel. Today, 14th of January 2020, and today Microsoft stopped supporting Windows 7. On January 14, 2020, Microsoft officially stopped supporting Windows 7. Operating system by itself will still be working, but will no longer receive any security updates. So that's why Microsoft recommends to upgrade to Windows 10. But to do that, you better need to buy a new PC. So let's see what Microsoft suggests. If we go to Windows and scroll down, what you need to know about the Windows 7. In this page you will find more information about what you need to do to get Windows 10 in order to be more secure in the future. Here is the information that it will no longer get any security updates, and here we have suggestions that Microsoft suggests you to buy a new PC in order to install Windows 10. And the best way to experience Windows 10 is on new PC. So you can install your Windows 10 on the old PC, but the best performance you can get is only buy a new PC. So while it is possible to install Windows 10 on your older device, but it is not recommended. Users of Windows 7 were divided into conditional groups when they got to know that supporting of Windows 7 will be stopped. Some intended to switch to Linux, others install Windows 10 on the existing hardware. Others remain loyal to their beloved Windows 7. It will still work more than 1 year without any update. But Microsoft has been talked about the most correct solution. And the solution is to get new PC. You can use a wizard to help yourself find a new computer. Simply click on Help Me to Choose. You'll get this page where you will need to answer some questions, all the features you want on your computer. You can choose different screen sizes. You can choose your lovely brands. And the features. And here you go. The wizard will help you to get the right PC for you, and you can order it right now or go to Amazon and compare the prices. For a little time, Microsoft was promoting their Surface and was telling that the best performance with the Windows 10 and more security will be only if you get our Surface. You will not have any problem with drivers and stuff like that, so you might consider their laptops as well. But if in some case you don't want to use their wizard or you don't like their Surface, if for some reason you don't want to use their wizard or you don't want to buy their Surface, my suggestion is to get PC not older than year 2019, so that there are no driver conflicts with the Windows 10's components. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in comment what do you think about this. Do you like Windows 7? Do you want to stick with it for next couple of years, or you already switched to Windows 10? Let me know in comments if you think that this is marketing and Microsoft trying to scare people and convince them to buy new laptops and computers, and just give me some thoughts. So please subscribe to channel, hit the like button, you can share this post, wish your computer be secured, and see you in next video.